Before operating your drop-down bed, there are a few things to remember. Number one, make sure there are no items left on the table which can get damaged by lowering the table, especially if they are higher items. Let's just say, for the sake, a vase full of flowers. Also, obvious as it may sound, but please make sure there's nobody seated on these seats to the left hand side and to the right hand side, so both seats are empty. And last but not least, also make sure that your windows are closed. Once you drop the bed, you will not be able to access these windows, so it's a good idea to make sure that they are closed for the night before you drop the bed down. Once you made sure that all these safety steps are followed and everybody is safe, and also obviously your objects are safe in the vehicle as well, very simply push this button and hold. The bed will drop down and it will stop. At this point, just simply release the button. Another important information to know: the bed is designed to be slept on. It is by no means designed to lift up any load, so please do not operate the bed with a person on board or on the bed, or any items for that matter on the bed as well. Before raising the bed, please again make sure that there's no items on the bed which can get damaged by raising the bed up. Once you know that everything is clear and safe, again simply push and hold, and the bed will stop in the top position. Release the button and your bed is now ready or tucked away, and the lounge is ready to be used.